So over here, you can see that I have Microsoft Edge simply opened up. And here I got some links, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go around and copy out this particular link right here. So once I do that, what happens is that on the address bar, I can simply go around over here and I can right click over here. And here you can see that paste and go is an option. So once I go around and choose this, then it simply does not just paste the URL, but it actually visits that particular page as well. Let me just go around onto home again and let's try with a different link. So if I were to go around and copy this out right here, just like this, and then if I were to go around over here and simply paste it, then nothing happens. But if I were to go around and then press enter, now only this particular page opens up. But if I were to go around and copy this link out right here, and in order to save a step, what you can simply do is you can paste and go right here, and then what happens is that it simply opens out that particular page right here, just like this. So that is how you can utilize the paste and go to URL option to directly access out a URL that is saved on your clipboard. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.